Hey everyone, Dennis here with Source One Environmental. Today I'm here to tell you a little bit about Hyperform, a great Quadex product. This is a rapid setting, high strength material designed for filling large voids and reconstructing inverts and benches. So it comes in a nice 60-pound bag, as you can see right here. Super easy to mix. Mostly you'll be working with smaller quantities. Normally you'll start with 2 cups of water and a 5-gallon bucket. So for filling voids, you'll probably mix the Hyperform and the water at the same time. Smaller amounts to start with until it's the right consistency to fill whatever void that you're working on. So if you're doing a skim coat, you'll want a thinner consistency so it's easily spreadable. So with a standard 24-inch manhole, you'll want it to use 1 bag per linear foot. Normally too, when you're using Hyperform, you'll use it in conjunction with other Quadex products. So maybe you fill a void, you fill a crack, and you'll skim coat that with a Structure Guard RS or a Structure Guard FM. Any questions, please call our customer service number. Check us out online, check out our website. We're going to be posting YouTube videos, and thank you so much for watching.